Hi, Braveheart. Ready for a quick 100 any rep standing on my head style? Because that's what I'm going to do. You don't have to follow along with that part, but I do encourage you to do some reps of something. I have 100 any rep agreement with myself, which is if I count them, they count. They could be literally anything from stretches to bounces to squats to stretch to, I already said stretches, to get downs and get ups or stepping ups or leg lifts or calf raises. All those are popular in my world. But right now I'm going to do the headstand thing because I haven't done it in a few days and I like to keep doing it. Use it or lose it, they say. Ooh, I got some tension in my neck talking to me. That's all right. I'll do 10 just stretching style. How about that? That's 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's do some faster style from 90, 89, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 80, 79, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 70, 69, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 60, 59, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 50, 49, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 30, 29, 28, 7, 6, 5, 4, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you have it. Nice and short and sweet. 100 reps. I like to remind you, it doesn't have to take a long time to give yourself a little more love, give yourself a little more strengthening, a little more stretching, a little checking in with yourself. Let your body know that you care because your body is with you this whole lifetime. It's the one thing you can't live without. I've been known to say, I give you permission to have a heavy sigh or 3, and also like to remind you to stay curious, stay courageous, get more fit and free, and also don't forget to like and subscribe because it helps me. I'm ZGALA, aka Auntie Angel, by the way. You're welcome. Till next time, peace.